Good evening, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday night. Can't wait to watch the NFL draft in 20 minutes. Evening Webcast. Okay. Daily chart, and we're still consolidating. Consolidated, tried to break out, tried to break down, didn't get it done, and we're still just jammed up on either side of the 2800 area. The Bulls had a very good morning. They came in, they converted the 9-day, they converted weekly pivot, they ran it up as high as 36, then they began to struggle. Then the Gilead news hit, and that slammed everything back below the hourly mid-band. We danced on either side of it through the middle part of the day in pretty wide ranges. And then we got some weakness into the close that is progressing as we head into Globex. So tonight, what's the key? Well, the key is, are the Bears going to show up? And if they show up, are they going to keep on going? I meant what I said, which is that the Bears are really just noise. Anywhere above 27.17, anywhere above these matching lows, which will act as a higher low against 22.85, although now you've got a fairly pronounced lower high. So as I zoom this out just a little bit, 85 down to 17, back up to 28.36. It's an opportunity. It's an opportunity to break these lows, extend down, and try to go deal with the round number at 2,700, and just get back down in and towards the daily middle Bollinger Band at 26.96. So daily chart, if you want to retest the green line, which is typically what's done, right? Upper band, middle band, lower band, middle band, upper band. Well, they've had a lot, we had a little bit of a miniature band ride there. It's been flat. They tried to take it up, couldn't get it done. Tried to take it up, didn't get it done. If we're going to glide on down and test the green line and try to confirm whether we're in a buy dips market or on a conversion and resistance, that we are still in a sell rallies tape, and ultimately, in a bear market, well below the 200-day exponential moving average, which is way up at 29.47. This is where those things get decided. 20-day simple moving average. And with the lower high today, if the Bears can put together a day tomorrow, you could see a test of that area. So what do the Bulls want? Well, the Bulls want what we've seen just about every other time the Bears have tried to get anything done. A little bit of a steep decline, find your feet, and then grind it right back up. Now, for the Bulls to be successful, they're going to have to clear 36. They were there. It would have been 36.50 and then this 85. But, it only takes one piece of news to shake the confidence of a market that's going up, but it's not going up with any kind of confidence at all. So you can see how quickly price can come off. That said, this piece of news broke midday, and I didn't have a whole lot of good things to say about the Bears in this area because, you can say what you want about the news and, it couldn't hold weekly pivot and it couldn't hold 2,800. Well, true, but if it's so awful, why aren't we going back to 17? Well, Mike, that's 80, 90 handles. Yeah. Well, don't you remember March? When it wanted to go off, it went off. They could take it all off. What I'm trying to say is there remains a bid in this tape that it's going to fight and claw and defend every important area. So for me, for shorts, you got to take your profits where you find them. We had a short today that we were 10 handles, 20 handles on the middle, and then it took those 20 handles back to where we got in about 5 or 6 minutes. That was it. It was during this candle right here. So be opportunistic on the short side. don't assume that every short is going to be, Wile E. Coyote off a cliff with a rocket strapped to his back. You get one of those. So we're seeing a fairly steady move down. It's a little steep for my taste. I wouldn't be surprised if we retested, anywhere from 27.80 to 27.93 in the overnight. The Bears really want some persistent weakness to get down and through. And 27.40 is going to be a big deal, which is where the hourly mid-band confirmed itself on Wednesday. And then ultimately 27.17. Okay, so everybody have a fantastic night. Be safe, be healthy. If you're going to watch the draft, enjoy it. Enjoy it, appreciate it. It is real-time sports. It's been 6 weeks, and I'm fired up. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you in the morning. Market Webcast. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.